The installation method of wall panel remote and controller. Step 1. Demount the besplet from the back of the panel. Gently pry the two grooves at the bottom with a screwdriver. Remove the besplet. Step 2. Mount the besplet to the wall junction box. Step 3. Do the wiring according to the laser mark of the panel. No need to connect the signal wires when the panel is used as a remote control. Step 4. Press the panel downward to the besplet hard. Installation is complete. Method of removing panels from walls. Insert a screwdriver into the bottom slot and pry. At the same time, lift the panel with the other hand. Disassembly is complete.